Describe the following sampling distribution of p hat. Assume that the size of the population is 25,000. N is equal to 300 and p is equal to 0.7. So that's our special characteristic. So to describe our sampling distribution, we need a mu, so we need some sort of average, which will be mu p hat, and we need sigma p hat as well. Mu p hat will equal their mu, which is their special proportion, so this 0.7. So mu p hat equals p, which is 0.7. Sigma p hat is going to be that formula that we talked about in the notes. So then we need to do the square root of p 1 minus p all over n. So when I replace those letters with their values, we'll get 0.7, 1 minus 0.7 divided by 300. So that's what we have to plug in that calculator to get our standard deviation. And then it's going to be some decimal, so we're going to make it an approximation. Little notation. Doesn't really affect too much. So in the calculator, I go turn it on. I'm going to start with my square root. I'm going to plug it all in one thing, so I'm going to set up parentheses. So the first one I need to do 0.7 times 1 minus 0.7. So that's my top, that's the numerator, 0.7 times 1 minus 0.7. Then I'm going to divide by 300. I'm going to close the parentheses. So then this final parenthesis closure closes the square root. So it's taking the square root of the whole thing. I'm doing the multiplication, then I'm doing the division, subtraction, and we get 0.0264. We can round that up to 5. So then our standard deviation is 0.265. 0.265. I'm going to do that. So that's the information we need to describe this distribution. Again, anytime we're describing distribution, we need the average, so mu p hat, because we're dealing with proportions. We need the standard deviation, so sigma p hat.